Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and even Microsoft Copilot. But here's the thing, Apple has been dead silent. Or at least, that's what they want you to think. Because behind the scenes, Apple has been working on a secret AI project that could completely change how we use iPhones, Macs, and maybe even the Apple Watch. And if Apple does this right, they might actually leapfrog OpenAI and Google. Today, I'm breaking down everything we know about Apple's hidden AI, what's coming next, and why you should care. Now, let's be real. Apple doesn't chase hype. Remember when everyone rushed into VR headsets? Apple waited, then dropped the Vision Pro. Same story with AI. While Google and Microsoft were racing to shove chatbots into everything, Apple's been quietly building. Their strategy, they don't announce until it's polished. Which means if they're quiet right now, that's not a weakness. It's a warning. Reports leaked last year that Apple is testing something insiders call Apple GPT. Internally, it's a large language model running on a system nicknamed Ajax. Think of it as Apple's own version of ChatGPT, but deeply integrated into iOS and macOS. And here's where it gets interesting. Apple's already been hiring aggressively for roles like generative AI engineer and conversational AI designer. They're not building a chatbot for fun, they're baking AI directly into the Apple ecosystem. Let's be honest, Siri right now is bad. It can set timers and tell you the weather, but that's about it. Now imagine Siri powered by generative AI. You say, "Hey Siri, plan my day tomorrow." Instead of just adding one event, Siri pulls your emails, calendar, traffic updates, and builds a full schedule. You say, "Hey Siri, help me write a message to my landlord." Boom! AI-level writing right inside messages. That's the direction Apple is heading. Siri becomes less of a dumb assistant and more like a full-blown AI co-pilot, completely hands-free. This won't just be Siri. Apple's working on system-wide AI features. In Photos, AI will auto-edit your pictures, remove objects, or even generate missing parts of an image. In Pages and Keynote, you'll get instant AI writing and design help. On the Mac, Spotlight Search could finally become as smart as ChatGPT, finding files by describing them in plain language like, "Show me the PDF with the house contract I signed in March." And the best part? Apple is testing on-device AI processing. That means faster responses, more privacy, and no need to send your data to the cloud like Google does. Here's why this is dangerous for Google and OpenAI. Apple controls the hardware. They design the chips, the operating system, the apps, everything. That gives them insane power to optimize AI. Imagine an iPhone 16 or 17 with a neural engine built specifically for generative AI. While others are stuck streaming models from the cloud, Apple's AI could run offline, instantly, and privately. That's a game changer. So, what does this mean for you and me? It means the iPhone in your pocket might soon become the most powerful AI device on the planet. Not just for productivity, but for creativity, health tracking, education, you name it. Apple doesn't just sell hardware, they sell ecosystems. And once AI becomes part of that ecosystem, it's going to be nearly impossible for users to leave. So, is Apple late to the AI party? Or are they about to crash it in the most Apple way possible by redefining the whole thing? I'll say this, don't underestimate Apple. If you want to see how this plays out, make sure you hit subscribe. I've got more deep dives into AI, tech, and the future that you don't want to miss. And let me know in the comments, would you trust Apple's AI more than Google's or OpenAI's? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.